Winter weather, poor road conditions lead to vehicles flying off the highway. Recent snowfall made for a slow Monday morning commute on Calgary roads. The Calgary Police Service confirms 11 crashes were reported between midnight and 8 a.m., including 2 involving injuries and 4 hit-and-runs. With as much as 12 centimeters of snow forecast to fall by Monday evening, city officials say the traffic snarls were related to the timing and intensity of the storm. It's really going to depend on how fast that snow falls, just what conditions are in the morning. If it snows just a little bit over each hour and the crews can keep up with it, those routes should be okay. With Calgary dipping to 15°C Sunday night, water main issues were once again popping up. According to the City of Calgary's website, 6 water main breaks were reported over the weekend and, as of early Monday morning, 5 of those remain an issue. The breaks serve as a reminder to everyone to keep the windows of their homes are fully closed, ensure the temperature is kept at least around 15°C, and check for any possible drafts. Calgarians can expect temperatures as low as 30, with consideration for the wind chill from Monday night into Tuesday morning. Over the weekend, strong winds and falling snow lead to closures and pilloops on some Alberta roadways, with widespread black ice along the Trans-Canada Highway to both the east and west of Calgary on Saturday. Highway 1 was closed Saturday evening near Bassano, and there was a pilloop near Red Deer and backups due to crashes near Olds.